Okay, can someone explain to me how this method is flying under the radar like a stealth jet packed with cash? Because once you see what I'm about to lay out, you're going to ask yourself why you didn't do it yesterday. I spent months chasing the dumbest meme coins imaginable, getting rugged so fast I thought my screen was playing tricks on me. But one day, everything clicked. The key isn't buying the coins, it's creating them. One token vanished faster than a bad joke at a funeral. But then, I hit pay dirt. I found a strategy so smooth it practically prints profit, getting about $100 or even more in profit in such a short time. That's the new normal, and it's not a one-time thing. It's a rinse and repeat masterpiece. Let me take you through the entire playbook. Now we're entering the serious zone, but let me throw a big ol' red flag in your face. Pump fun? Hard pass. That site's like a garage sale where everything's broken and nobody's checking quality. The barrier to entry is basically zero, so guess what? Zero value. If you're looking to actually stack some earnings, you've got to rise above that noise. Stick with me. I'll show you how it's really done. Pop into Photon, turn on that Pump Fun Dex filter, and you'll see it. Coins flooding in like it's open mic night for meme coin creators. But here's the kicker. Most of them vanish just as fast as they appear. No entry cost means every keyboard warrior is tossing coins into the void. Real investors, they're not wasting time here, and neither should you. Take a closer look at Radium, and what do you see? Not much, exactly as planned. Only a small crop of tokens goes live, and that scarcity drives demand through the roof. It's not chaos, it's curation. Unlike Pump Fun, Radium doesn't let every keyboard cowboy publish a coin. You need dev chops. And that barrier, it's gold. It weeds out the weak. That's why people trust it. That's why market caps are booming. So buckle up. I'll show you how we get in on it. Listen up, folks. I'm about to put you on to something that's borderline unfair. Forget everything you knew about LaunchTool. This new platform, moontool.fun. It's cleaner than a bribe under a handshake and smoother than a fake ID on prom night. Seriously, the site is gorgeous, efficient, and stupidly easy to use. No more wrestling with code or praying Radium gives you a break. This is pure click and launch simplicity. First things first, connect your wallet. The rest, a walk in the park. Logo, done and dusted. Found a perfect one while casually surfing Google like I was on a mission. I went with a meme that's all over the internet right now, because let's be honest, viral plus funny equals instant buyer bait. Don't know what to use? Easy fix. Dive into the web and grab something wild. Now jump into Canva, hit that Create Design button, switch it to 128 by 128, trim any mess, and save it. It's lightning fast, and it gets the job done beautifully. Fire up moontool.fun and start laying down the foundation. My token, that one's Swag Doge, symbol Swag D. Description's gotta have some flavor. Mine reads, swagged flexes on broke coins. Toss in the logo we made. Smash that next button, and you're staring at tokenomics. Don't even think about changing a digit. It's already tailor fit for what we're about to do next. That massive 1 billion supply, leave it untouched. We'll deploy it when the timing's right. Tap next, and boom, you're staring down the creator info section. Quick PSA, making any edits here will cost you a not-so-sweet zero point 0.1 sol. My take? Skip it, not worth the burn. Then comes the social media screen. Toss in links if you're building a hype train, but I usually breeze past it. Let's cruise ahead, because the next stop, that's where the pressure starts cooking. Word of advice, handle this section like you're defusing a bomb, because one wrong move and your whole coin could be toast. Curious why it matters? Here's the deal. Turn off Revoke Freeze, and you can slam the brakes on all trades. Turn off Revoke Mint, and you're basically cranking out tokens forever. Kill Revoke Update, and now you're rewriting the rules whenever you feel like it. That kind of unchecked power, it terrifies serious buyers. They bail, your volume tanks, and your chart flatlines. Here's what you do. Resist the urge to fiddle. Leave every toggle alone like it's a live wire, and go ahead and punch that Launch My Token Now button like your rent depends on it. Your phantom wallet's gonna pop up quick, so don't blink. From there, just follow the usual ritual. Confirm, click, approve, all that jazz. Do it clean like I did, and you're golden. Once that's done, 3 buttons show up, but I'm taking the soul scan route. Boom, it's live. Your token now officially exists on the Solana network, but let's not uncork the champagne just yet. We're not tradable. Final lap ahead. Reopen Moon Tool, click Create Liquidity Pool, and it'll shoot you over to Radium. Right away, confirm that your wallet is present and accounted for. Then and only then do you select your glorious meme coin as the base. Drop down the token list, snag your contract address from Moontool, and paste it into the input box, just like I showed you. Then plug in the token details. The symbols is SWAGD, name Swag Doge. Hit that shiny Add User Token button, then click it again to lock it in. Type 900 million in the amount box. It's the golden standard from your billion supply. Pick Solana as the quote token, and here's the kicker. Since you're the very first investor on the block, feel free to max it out. There's no downside, it's your show. Alright, do yourself a favor, leave 0.2 Sol untouched. That's the price of admission for Radium's setup fee, highlighted in yellow, of course. Set the fee tier to 2%. It's the sweet spot. When you're sure everything's lined up, press Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm the wallet prompt like you've done it 1,000 times. Boom, you're in business. Head over to Photon, and bingo, your token is right there, already in the mix. Now we shift gears. Hop on over to deckscreener.com, tap on any coin to get the engine running, wait until the UI finishes loading, then hop back into Moontool, snag your token's contract address, and plug it into DexScreener, replacing what's there. Press enter, and just like that, your chart's lighting up. If you notice a few blips early on, that's just some automated trading noise. Don't go sounding the alarms yet. Give it a minute, maybe two. Keep tabs on your Radium portfolio in the meantime. And hey, double check you're in standard mode, otherwise you're going to be staring at a blank screen. Wait for it. And boom, our first order just hit the books. That's what we like to see. First sale landed, $24, just under 0.16 Sol. But hey, no sudden moves here. I want to see how the next few plays shake out. And yeah, there are a couple red flags, sellers sneaking in orders. But weirdly enough, that helps us. More volume means more eyes. Folks, we've got a $10 buy here and a $15 buy there. Now take this. Second buyer rolled in hot with 0.18 Sol, around $29. Up there, liquidity's already hit 379 and market cap's cracked 329. We're moving fast. Nice little launch sequence we've got here, and I've got a sneaky feeling the best is still ahead. Want to know the wild part? This whole thing runs without a whisper of marketing. You can hit repeat on this play as many times as you like. And guess what? Another one just came in. Buyer number 3, clocking close to $46 or 0.3 Sol. Sell orders are heating up, so I'm prepping the old rug. But wait. Out of nowhere, fourth order lands. $120, right before I pulled the plug. Unbelievable. Now don't go quoting me in your investor pitch deck. Everything shown here is strictly for educational entertainment, and your mileage may vary big time. But right before I hit the button, let's take a quick pulse check. We're talking $710 in liquidity and a market cap climbing to $1,100, and the coin's up more than 740% overall. Crazy, right? I'll take that win and head to the payout window. All right, now cruise into Radium, plug in your wallet, and set the view mode to good old standard. See that minus sign? Tap it. Crank that slider to 100%. All or nothing. Now here's where it gets real. Those inflated numbers on your screen? Smoke and mirrors, my friend. The Sol number down here, that's what you're pocketing. No more, no less. Hit remove liquidity. Give it the nod. And bingo. There's your confirmation. Cha-ching. That little confirmation means your funds are right where they belong. Fire up Phantom and take in the view. You earned it. I started with about $165, walked out with $316. No fluff, no nonsense. Full disclosure, I'm not in bed with DexScreener, Moontool, Photon, or Radium. This isn't some shady promo. It's an education session, clean and simple. But let's be honest, this method's a ticking clock. If you're gonna strike, do it while the game's still rigged in your favor.